Hey guys, so today I'm just home and I've wanted very much to make the homemade soap. I have a recipe on this channel, so I think I'll put a link somewhere so you can see the exact ingredients that I'm going to use. But for this particular one, it's just a little, it's 5 liters. I'm just making for 5 liters. So I went to town and found this found these ingredients. Then I was like, I need to buy this because we use a lot of soap to wash utensils, to wash clothes. So this soap is a multi-purpose soap. You can use it to wash clothes, you can use it to wash utensils, you can use it to wash anything. So let's make the soap together. That's what I'm up to today. Mainly, I have a lot of other things to do, but let's make the soap together. Let me show you. So we have this. Oh my, I don't even have gloves. These are ingredients for 5 liter. 5 liter ingredients. Oh my. Do I even remember what she told me? Gosh. So I asked for instructions and she told me I should mix this together without any water first. So I should put all this in the bucket, mix them up, then after they're all mixed up, add 5 liters of water here on the bucket, then mix and until everything is well done, then add this. I really hope that's the instructions I was given. So let's do it. So here is my mixing bowl. This is a 5 liter container. So the original recipe was from my mom, but I just decided to do it myself this time around. So that's a 5 liter bowl, and these are the ingredients. So I'll be doing soap and jik. Jik is bleach. So since we are dealing with chemicals, I've just opted to use gloves. You're still eating? You're still eating tofu? Mama. Uh-oh. So this is after mixing the first ingredients that I was given. So now we are going to add water. We're going to use this jug. It's a liter jug, so you're going to measure 5 liters. Water, a jug at a time. So here we are doing 1 jug. That's 1 jug already. As you mix, and remember we are doing 5. So the other one. So you're doing 5 liters. You can see the foam has already started. You need energy for this. But it's coming together. Third jug. I don't know if this container, this bucket is going to be small, because I had measured earlier before. So you have to mix until the particles are all dissolved. But it's coming together. I think my bucket is small, so we have to change the bucket. So you can see the particles are still here. So we add 1 more liter to make 5. And see, it's thickened up, and it will thicken up as you go. So after mixing it, you should leave it for about an hour for it to do its thing. So according to the instructions that I was given while I was buying, they told me to mix the first ingredients, add water, mix them up, then add these. So it's time for adding, I think this is color. I told her blue. Why is it green? Or it will turn blue, I don't know. I think this is caustic soda or something. And this is not essence, scent. It's coming together real well. I don't know why it's green. I think she forgot because I told her blue. I didn't even check. I really wanted the blue one. I feel like the blue looks more nice. Yeah, and I can't feel the particles down, so I think everything has been well combined. So I'll just mix this up, leave it for about an hour, and then I think our soap will be ready. Yeah, because this is how my mom usually does it. She just mixes it up, then leaves it for an hour, then it's ready to use. For the jik is jik, now you have to wait for about a day, so I'll just mix it up real quick. For the jik it's quite easy because it's just one bottle. Add water, add the bottle with the jik chemical. Jik is bleach. Sorry, mimi ni Mkenya, tunaita sabuni zote omo na nini bleach zote jik. So jik is bleach. So this is a multi-purpose soap. You can use it to wash your clothes, you can use it to wash utensils, you can use it to, like, in place of soap. You can't use it for bathing though. You can't use it for bathing. So this will push us very much. Yeah, so cleaning the house, I just add this. Even you can also use this in your washing machines. So I think it's all mixed up. We'll just leave it and we'll be back after when it's ready. So guys, here is our soap. I wasn't able to film like an hour after, but this is like the next day. But you can see the consistency is really nice. It has thickened, and I think this lady just gave me green, but I told her blue. But it's fine, there's really nothing I can do. So this is ready for use. You can use this to clean your house, to wash your clothes, to clean your utensils, but you can't use it to bathe because it has those chemicals that are not safe for the body. So I want to put them in these bottles so we can be using them little by little. So I actually tested it yesterday. I tried washing it, or using it to wash my clothes in the washing machine, and it did a good job. So at least I'm saving a lot on my machine soap by using this. So I think that's it for today, guys. That's it for the soap video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like if you did, and do not forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.